Hey, Matt here, and I wanted to shoot a quick video on a 5-minute scalping strategy. So just something simple that you guys can use on the 5-minute time frame to scalp the market. So quick in and out trades, get anywhere, 15, 20, 30 pips, sometimes more. This is actually a really powerful indicator that really helps you spot good entry points, and it also removes a lot of the emotion um, coming from trading, when to get in, where to get out. So this eliminates it all. I'll show you exactly how I use it, the pairs I traded on. So before you click the link in the description to go check this thing out, I'm also going to put my Facebook group in there. So if you want to get instant access to our group, where you can ask questions, connect with me, that sort of thing, just check out the description of the video. I'll put all the info in there. But let me really just get to showing you how this works. So this is GJ on the 5-minute time frame. These boxes in the background is just a session indicator. You guys can go Google it. You can find them all over the place. But the red is London session, the blue is New York, and the green is Asian. This indicator, this strategy, this 5-minute scalping strategy works best during the beginning of London and the beginning of New York, all right, because it is a trend-based scalping strategy, so it does look for those big moves. But as you can see, it's very powerful at predicting these things. Right before the London Open here, you got a signal to buy, so you buy, and you could have literally wrote it up for 98 pips. Right there, pretty easy. I usually, honestly, I'm just going for about 30 pips a day. So I probably would have got out right about here. Would have taken me about, I don't know, 5, 6, 30 minutes. Boom, I'm done. And then same, obviously, New York session. You get a little chop right here. So you might have taken a loss on this one and even this one. But then this trade right here, it went down for about 40 pips, so you could have made back your losses. So this, obviously it's not perfect. It's not 100%. It's actually closer to about a 60% win rate using this strategy. But the winners are much bigger than the losers, and it is very simple. Literally, if you're brand new, or if you're just struggling to really get consistent, this is a great strategy. I highly recommend it. I've been trading with it for a while now. It's been working really well for me. Again, this is London, so if you would have, this is pretty, you might not have caught this unless you were a little earlier. This is pretty late Asian, pretty early on the London, but 72 pips. Again, if you caught this one right here, that would have been a loss of about 25 pips, but then check this out. You get in, and you can ride it all the way down 180 pips. You would have got the next signal at about 147 pips, so easily makes up for these losses. This was on Friday, so it just kind of fizzled out here. But look how powerful this is, and it does work on any pair. I'm just using GJ. Reason I do is it moves. But this does work on any pair you can trade on MT4. So literally, if you have a broker that trades cryptos or indices, metals, whatever the case is, any Forex pair this works on. So very simple strategy. Again, great for beginners who are really just looking to spot good entry points and where to get out. Or again, if you're struggling trading, a lot of people come to me and ask, is there something I can do to increase my win rate, increase my consistency? And this is my always go-to recommended strategy, because you don't have to trade very long. I mean, you could see, a lot of these trades you can get 30 pips in less than an hour. So you're just really just waiting for the setup, wait for the signal, take the trade, boom, you're done. 50 pips there. This right here, I mean, it's 68 pips. Again, I would have been out right about here. It would have taken me, I don't know, 35 minutes in and out, 33 pips, done. And if you're getting 20, 30 pips a day, that compounded is very, very powerful. So that's all you need. But again, I'll put everything in the description of this video. If you want to connect with me, hit me up in our group. Come join our group. And then I'll also put a link to get this indicator, and you could start using this 5-minute scalping strategy really starting right away. I mean, you could get instant access to this thing. So go ahead, check it out. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Feel free to give this a thumbs up, comment, definitely subscribe, because I'll be shooting a bunch more videos where you can follow me along. I'll give trading tips and really help you out if you're struggling, or if you're brand new and just trying to figure out how to trade Forex. All right, take care. Bye.